Hey, good morning. I'm back at school today. Rainy day outside, so I hope you're staying inside and safe and not getting all wet. So it's a good day to be home. We do have a football game tonight that is underway, just to let you know about that. We're going to read chapters 11 and 12 in the river. And again, I know I've said this a lot, but if it's a short answer, that means you have to state part of the question in your answer and you have to write a complete sentence. And so I really want to make sure you're doing that because you're just losing points for not doing that if you're not. For example, why did Brian move outside? Your answer can't just be because he wanted to. Okay, it can't be like that. It has to be Brian moved outside because, and then you go ahead and use your answer and make sure that you're using the book to help you find the right answer if you don't know. Otherwise, you're doing pretty good. Just make sure you do those short answers. We went and did, I assigned you online ReadWorks, and we're trying to do some things that are using technology just to make sure you're comfortable doing that in case we should ever have to go to everybody remote learning. So hopefully you were able to do that and read those first few articles and then recorded your response using complete sentences. And again, if you had any trouble with that, I wanted you to email me so we can kind of figure it out. Kids were able to do that last year when everybody was distance learning. So that seems like a good one to use where we can still work on our reading and comprehension and vocabulary, but doing it more in a remote learning type of way. So be sure and let me know if you had any trouble with that. And today we're going to finish up the rest of those articles that have to do with digging up the past, which is tools that archaeologists use. And so that's how we know so much about these ancient civilizations, because that's what social studies is in sixth grade, is ancient civilizations. So once we get through with all that, probably next week, we're going to start on working on one of those first civilizations, and we'll start learning about that. And we'll use the book sometimes, and sometimes we might watch a video, and other times just something else that I have, and I'll have to adapt it to remote learning, but we'll do that. And hopefully you'll find that a little bit more interesting probably than map skills. So that's the next part of social studies. So have a good day. If you haven't sent me a video of you reading from your iPad, if you haven't sent me a video of that, I still need that. I have to record that and keep a record of that. So again, if you haven't done that, please make sure you do that before the end of the week so I can put that in the records, okay? All right, again, if you got any questions, let me know. I know this is not probably the easiest way of learning, but I'm sure it's the safest way for your family, and that's good. So if you have questions, let me know. Email me, and I may not be able to get back to you right at that instant, but I will sure get back to you as soon as I can. Okay? All right. Have a great day.